Sadia, Chloe. Excellent, thank you. At this time, we have Brady Haskins and J.C. Williams, local Boy Scouts, who will fold the American flag. Go ahead, please. There's a certain way to fold the American flag, and over the years, the folds have come to represent certain ethics, certain things. And as these young gentlemen fold the flag, I will be sharing what each fold represents. The first fold is a symbol of life. The second fold is a symbol of eternal life. The third fold is in honor of the veterans departing our ranks. The fourth fold represents our weaker nature, our need to trust in God's divine guidance in peace and in war. The fifth fold is to our country. May she always be right, but she is our country, right or wrong. The sixth fold is where people's hearts lie. It is with our heart that we pledge allegiance to our flag. The seventh fold is a tribute to our armed forces through which we protect our country and our flag. The eighth fold is for those who entered into the valley of the shadow of death on our behalf. The ninth fold is a tribute to womanhood and to mothers. And the 10th is to fathers. The 11th fold is in honor of the Hebrew God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And the 12th fold represents eternity. And when the flag is completely folded, the stars are uppermost, reminding us of our national motto, "In God We Trust." The completely folded flag takes on the appearance of a cocked hat, ever reminding us of the soldiers who served under General George Washington and the sailors and Marines who served under Captain John Paul Jones, who were followed by their comrades and shipmates in the armed forces of the United States, preserving for us the rights, privileges, and freedoms that you all get to enjoy today. Thank you, J.C. Thanks, Brady.